Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short and exciting video. We are going to be learning how to make the looping method. Okay, so this is how you do it. So you see I have picked my top fishing line, and then I have inserted 2 beads on that fishing line like this, and I am going to create this hole using this technique of putting the fishing line back in the top bead, and then I'll cross like this. This is how we cross in the looping method. Please let me take it again. I'm going to insert my fishing line that is down inside the next bead beside it like this, and then I'll pick the fishing line that is up. I am going to put 2 bead on that fishing line, 2 beads on that fishing line. I'm going to pick the top bead and then create this hole by putting the fishing line back into the same bead like this, and I am picking the down fishing line, inserting into the hole like this. Please, this video, I would please entreat you to watch it carefully instead of listening. You can listen and then watch, but please watch it very carefully, because even if I don't talk, it is very simple and easy to understand. Okay, so please watch it very carefully to the end, because I'm going to show you how you can turn using the looping method. Okay, yes. So you are picking your down fishing line. You're going to repeat the same process till we get to the last bead, and then I show you how to turn. Okay, yes. So please, when you are watching, watch how I insert the fishing line into the hole I have created. Okay, and use the same method, and then you are good to go. It is very simple, very simple. Yes. So we are almost here. We are almost here. And the looping method, it makes your work very firm and very steady. So anytime you are about to make a turn, the same fishing line that you inserted in the very last bead like this, you are going to put all your 2 beads on that same fishing line, and then you are going to create our hole like this on the top bead. Then you pick the other fishing line, then you cross. This is how simple it is. Please put all your 2 beads on that same fishing line that you inserted in the next bead, because you are turning, and then the top bead you are going to create the hole, and then you make your turn. Okay, so this is it. I intentionally made a slow motion of this very part so that you will get it once and for all. You get it. So yes, I believe it is now very clear. Yes. So this is how to make your turn. Yes. And of course, we are going to continue by picking this fishing line and then inserting 3 beads on that fishing line. We are going to create that hole on the 3rd bead, or with the 3rd bead, and then we are going to cross. That is to begin another what another step. Yeah, so go through the next bead with the fishing line that is down, and they are going to pick 2 beads. You put 1 bead, you pull it down, and then the top bead, you are going to create the hole on the top bead. Then you are going to insert your fishing line. Have you seen how very easy this is? And you've been able to do it, right? So congratulations, and keep practicing, my beginners. You'll be very perfect. Okay, I believe you enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in our next exciting video. Thank you so much.